Hi guys, welcome back to another Pulse Tutorials video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install RavenDB on a Ubuntu 20.04 virtual machine. This I'm installing on a virtual machine right now, but it will work on any VPS or any dedicated server that you happen to have. So first off, I'm going to copy and paste all the stuff I need to put in. They will all be in the description down below if you just want to follow that. I'm just going to copy the big stuff because the small stuff is easy. So first off, the very first step we need to do is we need to log in as a root user. We can do that by typing in sudo su hyphen. Just making sure it's lined up. Okay, then we can type in our password. So now we are logged in as a root user. The next step is we can paste this in. This is one dependency to get Raven. Okay. It is done installing. Pretty fast. Installation times differ depending on your internet speed or the internet speed of the VPS. Okay, so next step is we got to install more dependencies for Raven. Okay. Now we have to update. /apt-get update. So I pulled all of this info off of an official source for RavenDB and database installation. So the next one we have to copy is we have to get more dependencies. There's just a few more dependencies, or one more dependency that we have to get. And it's this one right here. Okay. Okay, now that that's done, we can apt-get update-y. Okay, that's updated. So next step, we got all the dependencies we needed, and that's perfectly fine. And now we just have to get Raven. So this is the Raven. So this just tells this right here, says get this link right here, go to this link and download it and put it on the system. Okay, so now the next step is we have to unpack. We have to unpack the Raven files. Okay. So the next step is we have to open up the Raven settings or config, whatever you want to refer to it as. And we have to paste in this code. This code will also be linked down in the description if you want to copy it along, or you can just copy and paste it. So I'm just going to paste it in there. Okay. And now right here you want to put the IP of your system that you're using, your machine. For now, I'm just going to put localhost because I don't want to give away my IP on this YouTube. Okay. And now we can press Control X, Control S and Control X to save the file and then make sure it saves correctly. So the next one we have to do is we have to create a system.md file. So to do this, we have to put this in it, and it will create it and put ravendb.service in there. Okay, and now the next thing we have to do is we have to copy in more code in here. We're going to leave this as is. Everything's working. Okay, and now we're going to press Control S, Control X. Now the next step is we're gonna run this. So all of this is not us. This is just predestined area for this to go. This has nothing to do with the machine or pulse hosting at all, or pulse tutorials. It used to be pulse hosting, and now that works. Okay, so the next one we have to do is we have to reload the daemon just so we can make all the changes and save them all. Daemon's reloaded. Next step is to start RavenDB. Okay, RavenDB is started. Now the last step is to enable RavenDB. RavenDB is enabled and has enabled successfully. So one more thing, I'm gonna show you guys right back here, back to Nano. Okay, back to this settings.json. Right here, you want to put your IP It's not going to work on my local host. I'll show you guys right here. The internet's slow on my virtual machine, but it's not going to work on my local host right here. Oop. If I just type in HTTPS, localhost 8080. See, it's not going to work because this isn't an actual IP that it can register. Well, it's just HTTP. But yeah, it's not gonna load up. It has to be your actual IP, and yeah. So if you guys want me to make an actual dedicated server and use that, and actually configure RavenDB for you guys, please make sure to like and comment that you want me to do that. This has been another pulse hosting or pulse tutorial video. I gotta get that out, and I'll catch you guys next time.